Alchemical Wizard 16, Natural Nootropics. The enhancement of mood, sharpening of concentration and an improved focus without side effects or withdrawals. Natural nootropics is our topic for discussing brain-boosting cognitive health in these transitioning times. So we may be better equipped at critical thinking, discernment, and concentration during this ascension process. These are not the pharmaceutical chemical nootropics, smart drugs. These are herbal and natural nootropics that help increase circulation to the brain by altering the concentration of neurotransmitters, reducing brain inflammation, stimulating the formation of new brain cells and protecting the brain from free radical damage. The word nootropic is based on Greek words, mind, or intellect, and affecting or changing in the way specified. One of the main ones is ginkgo biloba, used in Chinese traditional medicine for more than 2,000 years. It promotes better blood flow within the brain. Also, green tea and sage are cognition enablers. Also, astaxanthin, an antioxidant found in high concentration in green algae, Haematococcus pluvialis, before it gets consumed by salmon, krill, and shellfish. Astaxanthin helps keep brain cells pliable. This is a good one for stacking or helping other vitamins and herbs be more bioavailable. Just like when you take a D3 with calcium and magnesium. One of the nootropic nutrients is pyrroloquinoline quinone, PQQ. Cells produce energy through the mitochondria. We have talked a lot about the mitochondria producing ADP. So keeping these guys healthy is essential for the brain. PQQ has shown an ability to support energy production within the brain by protecting existing mitochondria and stimulating the growth of new ones. Of course, omegas 3, 6, and 9s are good stackers as well by keeping the brain pliable and flexible while protecting the brain from inflammation. Now, this doesn't have to be a brain hack. So consider simply adding a few more herbal supplements and foods to your regenerative, detoxifying and anti-inflammatory lifestyle, diet. Adding a matcha green tea, cooking with sage, or taking rhodiola that's already in your adaptogenic herb complex supplement to your nutritional routine will help your cognitive skill set. Which will help us as we take in so much information at an increasingly rapid pace in this accelerated ascension process. 1. Rhodiola rosea or Arctic root. An adaptogenic herb that prevents fatigue, reduces stress, combats brain fog and enhances mental performance. 2. Bacopa monnieri. An extract from the Brahmi plant has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to enhance memory, improve mood, and decrease depression and anxiety. It protects against age-related neurodegeneration and cognitive decline. 3. Huperzine. A highly purified and concentrated extract from the Chinese club moss plant. The main active compound in the plant is used to enhance memory and learning. 4. Lion's mane. Can't forget about lion's mane, one of our mushroom boosters. It contains compounds called heraquinones and erinacins that have neuroprotective and cognitive enhancement. It also increases nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein necessary for the growth, maintenance, and survival of neurons. 5. Acetyl-L-carnitine. A form of amino acid carnitine that is manufactured naturally in the body through the synthesis in our kidney and liver of the essential amino acids lysine, methionine, iron, and vitamins B6 and C. Lysine can be found in cereal grains and legumes. Methionine in sesame seeds, Brazil nuts and other plant seeds, also in spinach, potatoes, and corn. Acetyl-L-carnitine produces acetylcholine, an important neurotransmitter for memory, learning and cognition. 6. Citicoline. Citicoline is synthesized by the body from choline and is converted into the important cell membrane compound phosphatidylcholine. Choline is an essential nutrient related to the B vitamins that must be consumed in the diet. Good sources of choline if you do not eat pastured eggs include legumes such as garbanzo beans, lima beans, lentils, and sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and almonds. 7. Tyrosine. An amino acid found in eggs, seaweed, soybeans, nuts, whole grains, seeds and beans if you don't eat meat. Tyrosine is an essential amino acid involved in the production of neurotransmitters such as dopamine, and stress hormones like norepinephrine, noradrenaline, and epinephrine, adrenaline. This is a mood regulatory amino that helps prevent cognitive decline in stressful conditions. 8. L-theanine. A compound found primarily in black, white, and green teas. It works by increasing levels of serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, the neurotransmitters that improve mood, memory, and learning. This is a good one to add MCT oil. Although I usually just add a bit of raw organic extra virgin coconut oil, local honey, and some coconut milk to my teas. 9. Tryptophan. An amino acid naturally found in a variety of foods is essential for the formation of serotonin and production of niacin. High tryptophan foods include nuts, seeds, tofu, turkey, oats, beans, lentils, bananas, dried dates, mangoes, chickpeas, and I am not kidding, spirulina. 10. Rosy periwinkle. In Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, all parts of this beautiful flower are used. It helps blood flow by thinning and increases oxygen supply to the brain. Travis Carper. December 18, 2018. Blog on 3decrees.org.